In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. Then go into Settings to scroll and access apps. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner to select Other Settings. Hit Default Apps and tap on Launcher. Tap on Launcher Pro to apply it, tap on Home button and hit Allow All in the pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, after that my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, just go into Launcher app. To go back to your default launcher, you need to access the same settings. Misclick, and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!